Morning, everyone, and welcome to Radiosilentplay trading on this Tuesday, June 29th, 2021. Let me start off by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Anything that I say or mention is for educational purposes only. I may or may not hold stocks that I mention. Please remember to do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. So I'm going to go over the NFT sector today. This was posted 6 hours ago. Jay-Z and Jack Dorsey owned music streaming service could feature NFTs and smart contracts. Right? So what we're seeing here is Jay-Z and Jack Dorsey is putting out an NFT streaming service. This is big. Right? Anytime when you have one of the biggest moguls in rap and also the biggest in social media, the CEO of Twitter, this is big. What I am looking at right now are going to be things related to the NFT sector, stocks in basically the small caps and OTC that are at or near floor levels. That's going to give us low risk to a huge high reward. If we look right now at Ethereum and also Bitcoin, you're seeing a reversal right now. So whenever you see a reversal in a sector or an asset, you want to start positioning yourself on the way up. If you look here, Ethereum kissed about 1700, and now you're starting to see that reversal with an 8N to 21 MA cross. We want to anticipate this move. So if you look here, you also have several news in the last couple of days. Bids soared to 2.8 million for World Wide Web code NFT. All right. So you're seeing a lot of NFT news. NFT powered digital comics to let fans decide heroes' fates. So this is big. All right. This could be proprietary. You could see Marvel, DC, Disney start incorporating this too. It's already being seen in gaming. So one of the stocks that I want to talk about today is a stock that actually put out news. And this is IMTL, ticker symbol IMTL. So this is their Twitter. And their Twitter, you can find them at Image Protect, IMTL, $IMTL, imageprotect.com. They actually just put out news similar to what we're seeing with the Jay-Z news. Really happy to announce we signed Jim Jones to our NFT platform. He's a hip-hop mogul and is a big force and accomplished artist in hip-hop. We spent hours discussing lots of possibilities for future deals. This was 7 hours ago. And take a look. Today, this morning, they actually put out news. Hip-hop and crypto mogul Jim Jones signs with Image Protects IMTL celebrity NFT platform website launching this week. So you have a catalyst here that's telling you right now website is launching this week. Who is Jim Jones? Jim Jones is a rapper. He's been around since, I'm going to say, 2004. He released his debut solo album, On My Way to Church. If you look, this gentleman is still active. All right. He's been around for quite some time. And with that said, we should see major eyes on this company. Now what I want to do is I want to go over a website that just was launched. This is called The Legend NFTs. And if you look here, this is Idris Elba collection. So he's a famous photographer, and they just launched this website right now. You got ties to Floyd Mayweather. You have ties to Jamie Foxx. You have ties to a lot of big names. The Rock, a lot of A-list celebrities, Cristiano Ronaldo. So whenever you see this type of things, you're gonna start seeing. You got Robert Garcia collection. You got the Idris Elba collection, and the Gabriel DeSante collection. So whenever you guys get a chance, that's the Legend NFTs IO/legends. So this was just put out yesterday, and we're seeing a major opportunity here. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go over the chart just so you guys can see what I'm seeing. We're actually in a tight wedge. This is a stock that traded as high as 0.019, and you're actually able to buy at the floor levels. If you see this dark blue line, the stock has yet to close below this blue line. A break above this 0.007, that's going to be a wedge break. This is key. So what you want to start seeing is you want to start potentially accumulating in this range. I want to show you this weekly pennant. This is a weekly pennant. If you look at the bullish divergence, you have that black line going into that purple line with a MACD histogram going from negative to positive. This is bullish divergence. Take a look at all this volume that you're seeing. Slow down in selling. Last move on the weekly chart was a previous high of 0.035. We have a 61.8% extension all the way up to 0.056. This is big for this stock. You're seeing a lot of people put out stocks that have huge share structures. This stock does not have a huge share structure. It meets our criteria. It is pink current, verified profile. You see their description. Image Protect is a media company with a focus in microcap news, information disclosure. It's a crypto, blockchain, and digital assets. And it says here they're coming out with the Photofy.com foundation of impactful NFT marketplace. So this is big for the NFT marketplace and the sector. If you look at the authorized shares is just 6.5 billion. Market cap is at 18 million. And you have your unrestricted shares about 3.6 billion. It has enough shares for everybody, but it's not heavily bloated like some stocks that traders are trading right now. This is a stock that I see potentially creating big moves, especially if you start seeing Bitcoin rally, breaking 64,500, its previous high. We have an extension all the way up to about 102,000. That's based on a 618% extension. Now, why do I tell you this? Because if crypto starts reversing, which I expect it to do in that fall Halloween effect and into Santa Claus rally in December, we're going to see much higher prices. And if you see here, you're actually buying within this pennant. You break above this pennant, you have upside to 2 cents all the way up to 3.5 and then 5.6. That's all that I have for you guys. Have a great trading week. Take care, everyone.